as the project promoter and leader on innovation and sustainability, deploy the IoT 5G technology in the railway catering services. Serveo will monitor and control the temperature in real time using the AKO solutions, improving the food quality and get a reduction in energy consumption for the cold chain management, from warehouse to the railway end user, and therefore, getting savings up to 10% of energy, then providing with a more safe, sustainable, and quality service to their customers. Serveo and AKO joint to achieve a more safe, sustainable, and quality service to their customers.